Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. Welcome back to your kitchen diary. In today's video we are going to make सूजी की मज़ेदार टिक्कियाँ. This is the very delicious Punjabi desi recipe. So let's get started. The things you will be needing are 1 cup सूजी, half cup sugar, half cup desi ghee, some almonds, crushed coconut, 1/4 cup of water. Grease the tray with desi ghee. This step should be done at the beginning because later on you will be in a hurry to set the semolina pieces. Sprinkle some nuts. I am just sprinkling shredded coconut. Dry roast semolina for around 10 to 12 minutes until the aroma comes or semolina gets light golden. Keep stirring so it should not be burned. You will be need to stir it continuously. Add in some crushed coconut. Semolina is done, so we are going to place it in a platter. Now add desi ghee to the pan. Add some cardamom seeds. I took 2 cardamoms. Fry it a little bit. Add half cup sugar. Add 1/4 cup of water. Mix it well. Keep stirring until the sugar gets dissolved. You can see the sugar is dissolved. Now add roasted semolina into it. Mix it well and keep stirring. Keep stirring. You can see the semolina has started leaving the bottom of the pan. It means it gets cooked. You don't need to make it brown in color. You just need to roast it. The moisture is almost absorbed. Pour it into the greased pan. Flatten it with the help of spatula. Try to spread it. Be careful while pressing it because it's too gentle to be handled. Sprinkle the nuts of your choice. I'm just garnishing it with crushed coconut and chopped almonds. You can even add pistachios, but I'm not going to add it. Let it be set for around 2 hours. Then we are going to cut it with knife. You can put the cutting marks on it after 1 hour, and you can separate the pieces around 2 to 3 hours when it gets completely dried. You can cut in any shape. I am going to cut it in small pieces. Now leave it again for 2 hours. After 2 hours, I am going to separate it. You can see how easily these are coming out from one piece to another side. This is done. You can see how this look like. It tastes amazing, guys. It is hard, not too hard to chew, but it's hard, like a tukriya should look like. You can separate all the pieces one by one by this method. You can even use knife. So this is the final look of Suji ki tukriya. I hope you have liked it. Must try it. Keep remembering me in your prayers. I'll see you in my next video. Take care. Allah Hafiz.